Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for white chocolate ganache. I already have a ganache recipe up on my channel. I will link that in the box. However, I was thinking that I never actually made white chocolate ganache, which is slightly different because of the different ratios we use. So I just thought I'd demonstrate that today. So let's get started.
Only 2 ingredients. We need 600 grams of white chocolate, 3/4 cup or 200 grams of whipping cream. Then I broke the chocolate into pieces. We do this so that it will melt faster. This is a 3-to-1 ratio, which means 3 times more chocolate by weight than cream. Then add the cream. Cream can sometimes stick to the inside of the package, so make sure you get all of it out. Then microwave in 30-second bursts on half power or the defrost setting, stirring between each burst. If you don't have a microwave, you can heat it in a double boiler. Just stir until the chocolate melts and combine with the cream. Freshly made ganache is quite thin. It will get thicker as it sits. If left for a long time or refrigerated, it will set up hard, much harder than buttercream. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.